Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set pin visibility in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here you just go into the profile menu, then tap on edit profile, scroll down to the bottom, and then here we have show all pins. This means that when somebody follows us or checks out our account, he will be able to see all of our pins that we have saved. We can turn this function off to make sure that pins saved to secret boards won't be available for viewing, and yeah, you can just turn this off or turn this on, whatever you want to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.